Wolves are members of the Canidae family and have a fascinating history intertwined with human civilization. They are believed to have evolved around 300,000 years ago, with the grey wolf being the most widespread and well-known subspecies. Ancient cultures revered and feared wolves. In Greek mythology, the wolf was associated with the god Apollo and represented both fierce warriors and nurturing caregivers. Native American tribes often regarded wolves as spiritual guides and symbols of loyalty and teamwork. Historical range: wolves once occupied a significant portion of the northern hemisphere, spanning North America, Europe, and Asia. Their range extended from the Arctic tundra to the deserts of Arabia, and from dense forests to open grasslands. In North America, grey wolves were found throughout the continent, from Alaska to Mexico. They also inhabited parts of Europe, including Scandinavia, the Balkans, and the forests of Russia. In Asia, wolves roamed the vast Siberian wilderness and even ventured into the Middle East and parts of India. Decline and conservation efforts. Unfortunately, the historical relationship between humans and wolves has been complicated. As human populations expanded, wolves faced persecution due to conflicts over livestock and fear for human safety. Overhunting and habitat loss led to a significant decline in wolf populations. In the 20th century, conservation efforts began to protect and restore wolf populations. Legislation, such as the Endangered Species Act in the United States and various international agreements, has helped safeguard these majestic creatures. Current habitats. Today, wolves can still be found in various regions around the world. Some of their main habitats include North America. Wolves have made a remarkable recovery in certain parts of North America. They can be found in wilderness areas, national parks, and even some populated regions, such as the Northern Rocky Mountains, the Great Lakes region, and parts of Alaska and Canada. Europe. Wolves have made a comeback in several European countries, including Sweden, Finland, Spain, Poland, and Romania. Efforts to protect and reintroduce wolves have allowed their populations to thrive in these regions. Asia. In Asia, wolves are predominantly found in Russia, particularly Siberia. They also inhabit parts of Mongolia, China, and the Indian subcontinent. Wolves are highly adaptable and can survive in diverse habitats, ranging from dense forests to arid grasslands. They are skilled hunters and social animals, living in tight-knit packs led by an alpha pair. Here are some interesting facts about wolves. Species and subspecies. There are several subspecies of wolves, including the grey wolf, Arctic wolf, red wolf, Ethiopian wolf, and many more. Size and weight. Wolves are the largest members of the Canidae family. On average, adult grey wolves measure 4.5 to 6.5 feet from nose to tail and weigh between 70 to 120 pounds. However, larger individuals have been recorded. Social animals. Wolves are highly social animals that live in packs. A typical wolf pack consists of a dominant alpha pair, their offspring, and sometimes other subordinate adult wolves. Pack sizes can vary from 2 to 30 individuals, depending on prey availability and habitat. Excellent hunters. Wolves are skilled hunters and have a diverse diet. They primarily hunt ungulates such as deer, elk, moose, and caribou. Wolves use cooperative hunting strategies, often targeting weak or elderly prey. Communication. Wolves have a sophisticated system of communication. They use body language, vocalizations as howls, barks, growls, and scent marking to communicate with pack members and mark territories. Howling. Wolves are famous for their howls, which serve various purposes. Howling helps them communicate over long distances, gather the pack, signal territorial boundaries, and locate other individuals. Range and habitat. Historically, wolves had a vast range and were found in diverse habitats across North America, Europe, and Asia. Today, their habitats primarily consist of remote forests, tundra, grasslands, and mountainous regions. Adaptations for survival. Wolves have several physical adaptations that help them survive in their environments. These include keen senses of smell, hearing, and vision, as well as powerful jaws, strong teeth, and a highly efficient digestive system. Lifespan. In the wild, wolves have an average lifespan of 6 to 8 years. However, some individuals have been known to live up to 13 years or more. In captivity, wolves can live up to 16 years or longer. Importance in ecosystems. Wolves play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. As apex predators, they help regulate prey populations, prevent overgrazing, and promote biodiversity. Breeding and reproduction. Wolves typically mate for life and have a breeding season that occurs once a year, usually in late winter or early spring. The female wolf gives birth to a litter of 4 to 6 pups after a gestation period of around 63 days. Conservation status. While some wolf populations have recovered, others are still threatened or endangered. The conservation status varies depending on the species and region. For example, the gray wolf in the United States is listed as least concern by the IUCN, but subspecies like the Mexican gray wolf and red wolf are critically endangered. These are just a few fascinating facts about wolves. They are truly remarkable creatures, symbolizing both the beauty and complexity of the natural world.